So this is your first block of question. You who have already seen what UPSC paper is like, you probably know this, right? First question is Mendel and non-Mendel. Okay, so Mendelian and non-Mendelian sort of traits. So Mendelian traits are nothing but those that are going to follow the traits, the principles of Mendel, right? So you have your segregation, independent assortment, dominance, recessive. Okay, so you can go with what exactly is the meaning, what are the kind of features, what could be the examples, tongue rolling, okay, the earlobes, right? So which one is dominant and which one is recessive? One is going to be attached, one is going to be free, right? And similarly, you should also bring in some sort of applications with regard to, let's say, diseases, right? Some sort of human applications that are relatively important. So non-Mendelian, again, fairly straightforward from your syllabus. It is going to be, let's say that polygenic traits, right? It could be the exceptions compared to Mendelian sort of traits, right? You could actually depending upon how in depth you want to go, it's a 10 marker, so it will be a little difficult to go that far in depth, right? But polygenic traits agar aapne mention kiya hai, then you're going to get a 5.5 for this particular question. And again, you have to bring in examples, right? And those examples should be backed by specifics. So meaning agar aap type 2 diabetes ke bare mein baat kar rahe ho, then you try to bring in at least a few of those genes that could probably cause it. Or if you're basically bringing in, let's say, height, your skin, right? So it doesn't matter, right? So you should try to bring those kind of specifics as well. More important thing is that you basically talk about what exactly is it, define it really well, talk about the features, talk about some examples, and talk about some applications, especially with regard to human health. That is basically how you would write. Okay, it's a 10 marker, and that is that.